Hello everyone, so in today's video I'll be showing you how to increase render distance without any lag, or if you have lag with render distance I will show how to fix that. So first of all, just search in the search bar, look for Roblox player, right click on it and then click on open file location. You will click on Roblox player another time and click on open file location, and then all you have to do is just right click here, click on new, and then new folder. Let's We need to call it client settings, and then enter the folder, click on new another time, and then we will do a text document, and then name it client app settings dot json, and then click enter. And now all you have to do is just right click on it and then open it with notepad or block note as I have it. And all you have to do is just to paste this code that I will give it to you. Wait, we will have it here. I will paste it to you in the description. Let's go back here, paste it, and then save the file. Let's go back to Roblox. And as you can see, we can increase and decrease render distance without any problem and without any lag and in graphics. And you can increase quality graphics or decrease it without any distance. And so that's all. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button for more tutorials.